How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about whether you can play split screen or two players with the Nintendo Switch when playing Fortnite. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So this has been a topic of some debate online ever since support for Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch came out. Now, while on the conventional consoles like the PlayStation or PS4, PS5, whatever, as well as the Xbox Series X, you can play two players on Fortnite through split screen mode. A lot of people have been asking whether you can do the same for the Nintendo Switch. So maybe something like docking the Switch with the official Nintendo dock and hooking it up to your TV, right? So this is the one that I'm talking about. So this little device allows you to connect your Nintendo Switch to any display like a 4K TV or whatnot. So the way it works is you connect both devices and then you plug in your um, Nintendo Switch to this dock right here. But the problem with this is you will only be able to play single players, never two players, as support for two controllers for one Nintendo Switch will never work. So in fact, there's even a guide by Epic Games themselves saying that split screen mode is not supported on mobile devices, the Nintendo Switch, PC platforms, and creative and limited time modes, as well as the other game modes for Fortnite. So, to answer your guys' question, it's not a thing to have the split screen or two player mode on the Nintendo Switch when playing Fortnite. However, I can see it being an innovation for the Nintendo Switch sometime in the future where you're able to hook up two sets of controllers to one Nintendo Switch. So that way it would be possible to play a Fortnite on the Switch using the split screen mode. As I can definitely see it happening as it's already a thing. It's already a feature for the PlayStation as well as the Xbox Series X where you could play the game and it would look something like this. So in the Nintendo Switch's case, you would have to dock it, hook it up to the TV, and then you'd have two controllers tied to one Nintendo Switch. So hopefully this is a thing that they will add in the future, but as of now, there's no support for split screen mode for the Nintendo Switch. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily, so if you want to show your support for that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.